back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching XKGLOW. Today we are announcing the winner of the XKGLOW Underglow kit for one lucky subscriber. We finally hit 2,500 subscribers. We're actually a little bit above now. The channel just keeps growing and growing more and more every day. All thanks to each and every one of you guys for supporting the channel. And one of the biggest supporters, Jason from Bespoke Custom Auto Detailing, hooked us up with this super dope long sleeve t-shirt. Not to be worn while working in the garage. We want to keep this nice and fresh and clean. But thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. It's a super rad shirt. Fits awesome. I'll put his Instagram down below. Go give him a follow and show him some love. He's got that super rad black Ferrari F430, and he's kind of talked about maybe we can go and take it out and do a little vlog, maybe a review, take it for a drive. Let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. Comment down below. From the previous video, links above, the views on lowering the Porsche Panamera GTS weren't overly great, and I think you guys just want to see more F30 content. But let me know, drop a comment below. He's given us the offer to go and test it out and take it for a drive, and I think that'd be pretty rad. But let me know what you guys think. A couple of the subscribers have reached out and asked for an overview of the vehicles that are in the fleet and within XKGLOW. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It helps out me greatly. Hit that like button if you like this video, and drop a comment. I always like to answer and get back to each and every one of you. I think it's just a respect thing. But for those who have been watching the vlog for some time now, you guys will know that we have Quinn, my 2013 BMW F30. It's the main focus of HBMW, and it's kind of my pride and joy. We also have a 2017 BMW X1, 2.8, pretty base model. The X1 is basically my daily and winter driver and overall putt around the city car. It's okay. For those who know, it's not my favorite vehicle. We also have a 2019 Ford F-150. Links above on the delivery video on when we got that. That's my wife's truck. It's her pride and joy, and it's something that she loves to drive. But I think it's probably time to do some modifications to that truck. Drop a comment if you guys want to see some stuff done to the Ford. Let me know what you guys think we should do, and maybe we can convince the wife to make her truck unique. We'll see how that goes. But here's some cinematic photography of the Quinn and the X1, the Ford. If you want to see more of it, links above. There you go. There's some cinematic photography of the Quinn and the X1. If you want to see more on the X1, the only thing really done to it is it's got a bit of vinyl and we lowered it. Links above. We dropped the X1 on some H&R lowering springs and it drastically changed how the vehicle drove and rides. It's much better. This is what the factory should be doing to the X1 before they push it out. But now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, we're going to announce the winner of the 2,500 subscribers giveaway. Before we get there, I just want to give a massive shout out to each and every one of you. I never ever could have imagined that we were going to get to 2,500 subscribers. It's greatly appreciated. I just can't say enough to all of you guys that support the channel. I think we're going to do another giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. It's got to be bigger than just an XKGLOW kit. So let me know, what would you guys like to see for a giveaway? Drop a comment below and let me know, and maybe we can make that happen. But I do want to give back to you guys for your support. It's the least I can do. We're gonna go inside on the computer and pull up a YouTube random comment picker. You put in the URL of the video and then you put in the actual hashtag XKGLOW that I'm looking for, because that's what I asked you to do. We will run that randomizer. We'll pick a random person. I'll verify that they followed all the instructions and they are subscribed to the channel, because they must be subscribed to the channel. It's a must. It's part of the rules. If we can verify all that, then we will give that to the lucky person. So let's head inside, pull up the computer, and let's find out who's the winner. Well, there we go. Brett is the lucky winner. Brett, if you can contact me on Instagram or shoot me an email at this email address, and I can get your information and get this XKGLOW kit out to you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it on your ride, and make sure you send me some photos and we'll do a follow-up on a YouTube video, and maybe we can do a collaboration and have our two XKGLOW cars together. But make sure you hit me up and we'll get this kit out to you. Thanks to each and every one of you that entered the giveaway. Like I said, it's just unbelievable, your guys' support. It's truly appreciated, and I'm glad that I can make some content that you guys are gonna watch and use. I've got a lot of DMs on the front splitter and the air suspension, and I love helping, and I'm glad that the videos that I have made are helping you guys out. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.